Hello, my name is Ashley Lundy here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a quick tour out in this weather of our brand new first one we've received, so we're really excited. 2020 Magnitude Super C from Thor. This is the BH35. Beautiful F550 chassis. And this thing is huge. If we come inside here, you'll see large windows, great view. My favorite is on the bunk over here. You have big windows for viewing, and at night when you go to sleep, there is actually a power close on the front there. See that? Love that. But a great view like you'd get in a Class A when it's open. Of course, we have a couch. We have a huge booth. Nice kitchen. You have both induction and propane burners here. Nice Whirlpool residential fridge. And this is actually a bath and a half model. So here's your half bath. Right, beautiful. And further back here in the bedroom, you have lots of storage space, nice sliding pocket doors, walk around king bed with even USB power on the sides. And then you have your full bath back here. We have our nice glass doors into our shower, lots of storage space, and our second toilet. All in our brand new Magnitude Super C here. Lots of new technology and very spacious. So if you have any questions or would like to come see this one in person, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Ashley here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, and this is our first 2020 Magnitude. Thank you so much for watching, and you can reach me directly at 541-337-2387 anytime with questions.